Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into how to set up a Shopify store in 2024. Let's get started. First, head over to shopify.com and sign up for an account. Once you're in, you'll be greeted with a dashboard. From here, you can customize your store, add products, and set up payment methods. Next, let's talk about customization. Shopify offers a variety of themes to choose from. Pick one that suits your brand and start customizing. You can change colors, fonts, and layouts to make your store unique. Now it's time to add products. Go to the Products section and click Add Product. Fill in the details like title, description, price, and images. Make sure your product descriptions are clear and engaging. Finally, let's set up payment methods. Go to the settings and click on Payments. Here, you can choose from various payment gateways like PayPal, Stripe, and more. Make sure to test the payment process to ensure everything works smoothly. And that's it. You've successfully set up your Shopify store for 2024. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.